Okay, hey guys, welcome to today's recording. And today I'm not gonna do some scripts, write some scripts on my rocks TV tracing projects because I have already plotted some YCSP data on it, and I also do the meeting with Zhichao today. I got some left items to work with, but yeah, I think I'm gonna start compiling TPCH for now, and I'm gonna wait a little bit because I'm still uploading my data, my video recorded yesterday to the YouTube, so this may take a while. And my fan of my Mac is running crazy, so I'm gonna wait a little bit. And for now, let's just look at this, watch this GNU plot tutorial. I think it's really great. I want to share it with you guys. I have watched some part of it, and this guy teaches me how to set different lifestyle and how to control the look of your figures. You see here we have a key format, key width, and how we set the border of our figures, and how we set the key ranges, how we control the interval of our xticks. Let's continue.
Use the label for the number 5, for example. Close the bracket. And if we replot, we see that the point 0 is now labeled by 0, which makes sense. And the point 5 is now labeled with label, which doesn't actually make a lot of sense. You can't even tell that it's 5 anymore. But it can make sense to label your ticks differently. And what we have here is actually an example of a sine wave. So it would actually be quite nice to label the x-axis in multiples of pi instead of just increments of 1 or 0.5. This is also a good point to talk about variables. Real quick, you can introduce variables in GNUplot. You can, for instance, just go a equals 2, and now a is 2. Just plot the sine of 2x. And if you forget your variables, you can show variables 2, and the value of pi pops up because pi is a variable that's already implemented. It's already saved in GNUplot, and we can use this for our convenience, which is actually quite handy. Because to the point 0, we have this. What this does, it introduces the Greek letter corresponding to lowercase p. So this is just a lowercase pi in the point, and have 2 times pi. We replot that, we see that our x-axis is now labeled with 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, and 4 pi, which is very convenient for these kinds of plots. I might want to bring up the size of these ticks a little. They're kind of small, 1.5, that white. And the border is still a little thin in my opinion, so we might want to set border line. See here is that these ticks now intersect the legend box, which is not very pretty. So we might want to move the box around. All we did was we set it to the bottom left, which is some broad alignment, but we can actually do better. We can specify in this coordinate grid exactly where the box needs to go, coordinates for it. So if we bring that up to minus 0.1 about here, and minus 0.8 maybe here, minus 0.1 over there, it looks much better now. So as we did before, we can use this font.
You see that? We can control our key button at the left, and by specifying the x and y of our box.
Command, so this time it's set ticks font, and bring this up to 14 as well. So it's a little bigger now. And as you should always do, we want to label our axes. So set x label. Let's use T over S again. And let's make it size 16. Set Y label. Show water level in meters again.
Please, I may want to close my door because I'm gonna may need to sleep for now. Okay, let's continue.
Bring this up to 16 as well. So you see the labels for the axes are now there. They're quite large as I wanted it. What you see here is that we went kind of lucky. This minus sign from the minus 0.5 almost touched happened that pretty. And it puts it a little to the left, so there's no danger of intersecting.
You can even control the X label position and the Y label position
here anymore.
This is great.
Because the arrow with the pi. So you might want to output this as a PNG image, so set output. You can see now that the label of the y-axis is a little far away from the left small tweak. You might have that size command. Do that. Set output. You open that file up. You see that it actually looks completely different. And the reason for that is that all the size specifications that we gave, like the font size, like the line width, like the point size, was all with respect to pixels. Now our image file has double the number of pixels in each dimension, so the file, the canvas, is actually larger, but the size of the font and everything else with respect to the size, you can do that. Set output, and for that font size, click by a factor 1/2. This is something. Go to 89, going to use the PNG output. Or PNG to 8960 there. So you kind of get the preview window roughly the same size as your PNG. So that's the thing to keep in mind if you're going to use the PNG output. There are also different ways to output your image in, which is used to preview all your plots, this default terminal. You can also specify a size. We can go to 8960 there. So you kind of get the preview window roughly the same size as your PNG. So that's the thing to keep in mind if you're going to use the PNG output. There are also different ways to output your image in scalable vector graphics terminal or in PDF terminal.
Alright, it's a good video. And I'm gonna check. I'm a little bit tired. Let me check my meeting notes with Zhichao today. He says that I need to check the block ID. Let me check the block ID and plot 3 of the compaction. Right. Starting anchor. OP level time. Cache means cache hit. File ID for each operation. Cache means we have IO file, and IO is batch by batch. And we got a cache miss, a cache hit for 2 figures, so yeah, this is great. Okay, let's just can we do a quick check? What is the meaning of this one? Block ID access map. But what about this block offset? I think. Let me check the wiki. Alright, let me check the wiki. I need to check the wiki. I need to check the wiki. GitHub RocksDB. Block cache wiki. Block cache analysis too. Alright. Block offset. On-site long. This is bytes, right? This is absolutely bytes. So this is shell. Okay, gigabytes. Yeah, 4 KB. Yeah, that's right. That is right. The gap is 4 KB. I think this is measured in bytes. Do we have any notifications? Alright, and let's run some of alright. Let's run some of my let's run some of my tests. GitHub myrocks and I want to run a little bit test. I want to run a little bit test. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Default engine. Skipped disabled. Pass. Okay, great. Everything's looking good. Flash cache. We're running this, and then we start a server, creating variable directory, and then we yeah, that looks great. Do some test. What is the rightmost? Oh, what is this? Is this a error? Is this a pass or fail? Oh, this failed. Bypass select basic room. Test ended at current test. Yeah, there's some test failed. There must be some bug in it. Let's wait. Oh my god, another fail. Why is there so much fail? I don't understand. too much file. What the fuck is happening? MTR test. What is MTR test? You need to pass several options. H-top. Yeah, we use a lot of CPUs and memories. And this is a long test. Whoa. How is the test implemented? What is NTR test? Tests are CPU and memory heavy? This is the first options. Myrocks DB persistent cache will fail in insertion. Some tests require lots of disk space. Easy to run out of space, and this test will fail with an insertion line. Ballpark figures for test take 60 minutes. What the fuck? What the fuck? 60 minutes. Oh my god. Debug build takes 90 minutes. This is too fucking long. I can't. I can't take this. Let's just stop, okay? Let's just stop and test run. I'm gonna check this test run. Wing test bicycle test run .pl. Okay, let's see what we get. Check the bicycle. Okay, great. And then check backward compatibility. This comparably. Bicycle test run. Why do you want to use per languages? Is this something better than shell? I don't know. Path OPT temp directory. Okay. When do we start this? And when do we start executing the SQL SQL code? How many code do we have? 7,000. Alright. That's a lot of code. I want to find when do we start the MySQL server. SQL D. Find MySQL D. So we have this. I'm gonna search this. Core dump. Okay, what is this? Limit number of core files. Okay, command. What is the command? First look for version, exe name, command. What the fuck? Not found. Not gonna give you another one. MySQLD put variables into hash. MySQLD variables. Okay, alright. When is this? What is this? What the fuck is this? My command, MySQL the join. TR is this? I think this is a client, right? But what about a server? When do we start a server? And when do we using our MySQL code to connect to our server? Okay. Find MySQLD list command. Oh, so this started. I think this started my SQL server. This line of code, right? No defaults, data directory, secure file, mtr at rx. Okay, great. Need user root if running as. Okay. Find MySQLD and we run it. And for my line, first look for version, and then we have this. MySQL version. I'm gonna sit for a while. Okay, now I know about how to start a MySQL server process, and I'm gonna check more. Let's check more. Line version. Check some version. And what about this? Put variables into hash. Why does this man want to do this? mtr running. Remove tree. Cannot find. Unless. Okay, great. I know. So we start a MySQL server background. Sub. What is sub in per? I want to know about this. What is sub in per? The word subroutine is used most because it is created using keyword whenever there is a call to the function. Per stop executing all its program, it jumps to the function to execute it and then returns back to the session of the code. Okay, subroutines. Okay. But is this a subthread or is this a subprocess? Or is this just a normal function call? What is this? I'm curious. She got brown eyes. Come on! Give me something or give me nothing. She got white dress. Brown eyes. Beautiful eyes. Tia my mommy, Tia my mommy. Strumming this. My time in. Alright, let's check. Please give me something or give me nothing. Okay, I'm gonna check more. Clat. NTREXE persist. Yeah, this is a client command. No defaults users. We have options. MTR attic args. What the fuck is this? Tab separated output. Silence -E -S. Use MySQL show variables. Okay. MySQL command variables and the execute our command. Oh, this is good. Enter image. What the fuck is image? Can I find this? Can I find this? What the fuck? Client test. Alright. Test. Drives me crazy. MySQL. And what about them? I really want to know. Got it. A per function. 2-word subroutines is used most because it's creating as a keyword whenever there is a call. Okay. Calling subroutine can be called by the verb way of calling. So this is just a function, right? Just a function. Oh, I want to know what is curl versus bash. Bash is a Unix shell and command language which is commonly used for system administration tasks, whereas per is used for general purpose programming. But all of this can handle all kinds of problems and all have different strengths over the rest. I want to know the answer to this question. I'm really curious. Simplicity. We're fond of using GNU Parallel, which you can execute bash scripts. From the main page, batch, create thumbs up all GPGs indirectly in parallel. Okay, we have parallel command. I want to check this out. Man parallel. No. You don't have those? Man parallel. No. Per square of 100 faster than bash. task manipulation, you can actually achieve better performance unless you take time to learn complex algorithms. View bash is not looping, just calling other than there isn't any gain. Can parameter sort unique, then most of the time is spent on can parameter, not on bash. You gain performance if there is any loop, or if you have multiple reads on the same file. Say you cut a step between two stems, let's say your bash script would like this. Gain performance because you are reading the whole file 3 times. Once per you do something like this. Except if, print if, state 1 if. Okay. Since you're processing multiple files, see your screen positive, you get a lot by rewriting it. Notwithstanding the loop stealing file names for each file which is not fully inside or outside scope, you do multiple tasks, finish by hand. Head your tasks. Each time you do that, some piece of code is reading the data. Some of those lines of being you almost certainly realize just by cutting off the file redoing past your that's a truly amazing piece of wizardry can handily be outperformed by per script for equivalent. Alright, I understand the per. I think the per is more like a bash, right? You know, this dollar symbol. Yeah, I understand why people use per now. Can I use that? Of course I can. But the thing is how this MySQL D is called. Cannot connect put variables into bash. Alright, last one. Convert InnoDB flags. MySQL D variables InnoDB equals on. Parse versions. Why do we want to do this? Right. You don't want me. You can. I can do that. Okay. Silent. Okay. Command. Okay, put variables into hash. Cannot connect to external server using command. Alright. So what about next? Collect MySQL D. To find out the features. Okay, what about them? Report, print, Windows, experimental test case. What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this? I really want to know. No good. Still think about the job opportunity I turned down. It's okay. I'll get my money. How can we start my security? What the fuck? Coverage? Yes, this is one test server. Okay. What about that? Print a child. Hello? What the fuck? What is ass variables? Sock is set. Where is sock? Where is S and server? IO select new. Okay. Add server. Where is our server? I want to find out the server. Okay, server text childs. Okay, great. Quarter. What is this? No, don't fuck with me. Don't fuck with me. She got brown eyes, beautiful smile. Drives me crazy, the brown eyes. Tia my mommy. Come to the border with me, come south with the border with me. Okay, get that. At least I know that how the client connect to our test database. This is good. And then also know about the Perl language. This is also amazing. Okay, this is great, so great. Get a pull. She got my dress. Get a status. Get add a dog. Get a command -m. Add a dash string. And a push. She got promise. Maybe out. -10. Oh. The fuck. A-10 to M. Empty. Note about her language. It's more like high. More like a bash, but with faster while look and pattern matching function. Right. I think I might turn to Perl next time I want to do some script jobs. Okay, I just know more about know more about this. Now read MySQL test.per file. Know more about how to start a MySQL server and how can we connect to it with MySQL client. Okay, great. And now let's try to run our TPCH. What the fuck? What the fuck? TPCH, TPGen. Read me, read me, read me. DBGen. How is DBGen built? Let's go to 3, right? 3 dot. Okay, let's see. Makefile, this root has a base type make. I think we'll just call make, right? cd tpch cd tpc. Alright, let's cd dbgen. Now we just call make. There is no make. What the fuck? How can we create a makefile? Makefile this root. Okay. Grab makefile. Yeah. Let's check out the makefile root. Let's see. What the wow. Oh. I thought that there was about maybe thousands of lines, but actually it's only 200. So do we have DBGen? DBGen. Okay. QGen. I think we will just call make. What the fuck? Okay, make dash file, make dash f. Right. G command not found. What the fuck is G? Oh, we need to use change the name of INC compiler here. Current values for database are Oracle DB2 SQL Server CSpace vector-wise TPCH machine Linux, no doubt about this. What is database? Teradata. I want to check another repo. I want to check another repo. Keek. And then what the fuck? Makefile. Let's check the makefile. Target. Okay. Linux, GCC. Alright. Where is MySQL? Where is MySQL? I was kind of curious about this. I may need to use this guy's makefile, but I want to check another one. Loaded build TPCH makefile. She got it. Brown eyes. MonetDB. Yeah, I did see this. What the fuck is MonetDB? Queries. We have FOD. We have answers. Let me check my makefile. Object sources. Okay. We have this file, SQL file. We need to generate. And what about nest? What is exe? Nothing. Okay. Appreciate your time. She got a white dress. I think I'm gonna call it a day. So this hour I learned about Perl languages. And do I have a Perl? I think I have a Perl, right? Perl? Do we have a Perl? Hello? Man Perl? Perl Fine Language Interpreter. Okay. MonetDB, preparing the database. TPCH build. Okay, let's check this TPCH build. Scale force, form, and server. Why is there no bicycle? I was really fucking curious. I think I'm gonna run Oracle? Maybe Oracle. DB2. Oracle, right? Oracle and GCC. Okay. And will need to be changed for compilation under. No need. Okay, let's run it again. Okay. I'm gonna call makefile. Great. Things looks great. Define. We got QGen and DBGen. No, DBGen. What the fuck? DBGen dash help. Okay. We can run population generator. Okay, great. Separate data. And how about a QGen dash help and systematics dash B dash C. Alright. Budget. Sure. For now. Okay. I think I'm gonna call it a day. I have made this file and I'm gonna run this to generate TPCH data and run this to get the TPCH benchmark. Run it, right? Okay, great. Okay, I'm also want to learn about the per tutorial. Let's just write our first per script file, okay? Okay. DD. No. Create a new window. And Lwing first hello dot per. And I need to use this to tell the shell that I will want it to interpret this code file with per, which per. Yeah, it's correct. And print hello per. And I'm gonna run per and noni, maybe change mode plus x hello dot per. Bad interpreter. Oh, I have another E. Ta-da! Great. I write my first per. Language. Super great. Per take the best features from other languages. Database works with, supports Unicode. External is extensible. This is great. Does Per have some limitations? Definitely, no doubt about it. Everything has some cons and pros. Some environment. Yeah, no, just tell me data types, maybe. Scholar, arrays, and hashes. Okay. I'm gonna write another one. Maybe arrays. Variables. Okay. Age equals 25. Print age equals age dash n. Got some error. What the fuck? Oh, we need to add something. Can we do this? No. Scholar found well, produce Betty the eye. What is wrong? Is anything wrong? Oh, we need to add a semicolon at the end of each line. Array variables are preceded by an @ sign. Okay, let's try this out. Ages equals 25, 30, 40. And I want to print second val is at ages 1. No, I need to add the columns. Great. Hash variables. Data equals. I'm wondering why the Per does not be popular. I think it's pretty great. It has a good integration with Bash. The calling command is quite simpler compared to Python. The join poll 45. John Paul 45. Key values. Tia my mommy. The data. The John Paul. Just like a dream. Okay, great. I learned about variables. I learned about if and else. I'm gonna write my next script with Per. The if. There's no if. What the fuck? There is if, right? If statement. Okay. Great. What about the loop? The while loops. Okay. Looks familiar. Operators. Just look at it. I don't want to know everything right now. I just learn it when I want to. When I use this. It's a function, this group of statements. What about a command calling? Object-oriented process management. Special coding standard. Sending email. I want to know process management. You can use per in various ways to create new processes per your requirements. Special variables to get every process created using any of the maxes. Okay. Exit always just the child, execute is a function. Backstack operator. For each file. Ali is using backstack. Okay, backstack, you simply put your command and sign, which will result in execution and returns as a result. Okay. I'm gonna write this code. Add files equals as ls dash l. Okay, and then for each file in add files, we're gonna print file, and we're gonna have this one. What is one? Why do we add a one? Okay, great, we have it. Why do we need a one? We listed the system function to execute, whose output go to the output of per by default, but you can redirect it by using redirection. Be careful when your command contains shell. Okay. Whoa. Okay. The fork. Okay, the wait. Wait PID, the kill. Alright, note about it. This is great. I learned about this. Yeah. This per language is pretty great, I think. It's more easier to call the command just like the bash. Love this. Jump in that water with me, confounds with the water. She got brown eyes, beautiful smiles, are crazy, and I am gonna run the TPCH tomorrow. Right, the connect is quite easy, right? Alright. That's it. And I also want to do another check is how this guy run It's TPCH 3 scripts, horizontal one. Okay, the DB, the data. Okay, let's check out this run folder. What is the scripts? Horizontal one. The database. The port where the server is listening. Okay. The output. Okay, optimizer. She got brown eyes, beautiful smile. She crazy, the brown eyes. Tia, my mommy, the database. It's a great journey. She got brown eyes. 危险。DB link the port. How is this shall use the port? I want to know about this. The port. Okay, MC client -D -P -F -W. Okay, great. I learned this command. Okay, MC client -port -F. What is F? Where is F? Raw. What is raw? Where the fuck is raw? Where the fuck is raw? Okay, W temp. Okay, the import, the port, MC client, MC amp client. Okay, amp client. Do we have amp client? No, there is no amp client, but we can find the amp client. CD MySQL LS-SQL grep amp client. No, where is amp client? G-files -E amp client dot. The argument cannot be used. -G. What is this? Amp client. Nothing? What the fuck? Where is my client? I want to check if I have this client. Hooks. F Basin hooks. Man. spaces, grep MC, no, a SQL or a SQL common, grep what the fuck, SQL MC. There is no such thing. ls SQL. No M client. I think there is only MySQL. But where is MySQL? Scrap MySQL. Yes, lamp MySQL. MySQL client. Okay. So where is the client? Yeah. We have MySQL. But what about we see the MySQL config. How about client MySQL --help. Oh, so many options. User port right fields without conversion. I think there is a -I. Ignore spaces. Binder address commands. Help. Debug. Database. Vertical. Stupid. I think I want to know about SQL programming file batch local in file pagers socket t default files. I want to check with TPCH run. I want to check with TPCH random run. You know nothing about this. No, I don't know. I want to check how the MySQL client just, run this site SQL command. Okay, everyone, it's time. I will check it tomorrow. See you.